just have to kill. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you. That is a serious illegal detention.
Former President Rodrigo Duterte cries out illegal detention at Villamor Air Base after he was served an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The former president was arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport on Tuesday, March 11. Duterte's arrest came amid a case before the International Criminal Court for alleged crimes against humanity during his administration's war on drugs.
For and against you in the court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, very clear.
Now that we're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder, sir.
Buhay to zero. Buhay to zero.
Generally speaking, pabili na lang namin ng mga gamot na kailangan.
Sir, this is a police operation. Ganito naman, sir. Ulitin natin ulit, sir. Sandali muna. Back to square one. Earlier this saying, I place the former president under arrest.
Daniel, matanda pa.
The issue, sir, is for you to choose 3 people. The company PRP. May pass dyan. And you know the charter flight.
Chartered flight from... So we need to bring our president. Sir, we need to know, please give us information where we are near, where you are bringing.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
Just Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will
That's
defer.
precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano yung nagano? Please, bawal
The right to
naman.
counsel is something that has to be observed
Right to counsel.
and respected.
Huwag kayong umawa. Kaya nakipakialam sa kanila. Saan mo ano yung lawyer? Saan mo ano yung lawyer? Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan.
Yung mga
Huwag mo hawakan yung nanay ko!
tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanong nga. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, Ture, anong kasalanan ko?
Hindi! Akin na yung anak ko!
Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Pero hihilain ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to him.
Is that our intention?
Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes, sir. Hindi pa pasukin, sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes, sir.
hindi mo
Upon my orders.
sinipili mo pinapatok.
Yes, sir. Upon my orders, sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae,
They can visit you at your detention center, sir.
Hindi nila ako pinapapasok dito sa airbase. Nakiusap ako kung pwedeng makausap ko personal si former President Rodrigo Duterte para mabigyan ko siya ng instructions and then makabigay din siya ng instructions sa si General Marbil daw ang in charge ng buong Villamor Military Air Base. Saan ka ba naman nakahanap ng military air base na Chief PNP ang in charge at siya ang nagsasabi kung sino ang pwedeng pumasok at hindi pumasok.
But you are the second highest official dito sa ating bansa. Pero parang pamumulit dito po ito sa tingin niyo?
Alright, oo. Very much pamumulitika ito. Kahit ang ibang bansa nagsalita na.
Eh, mabit ka namin.
Ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there. Secretary Anyong was there too. And the President and I.